Hey guys, what's up? I just want to make a few things. Okay, so listen. Now, we are in the bull market. Believe it or not, we are in the bull market. Okay, there are a lot of people who are skeptical and waiting for the Bitcoin to confirm we're in the bull market. Well, maybe it will be too late. It's not maybe, definitely will be too late. Make sure you understand if you never ever take action, you need to start taking action. Again, nothing here is financial advice. Do whatever you want, your money, your problems. Now, there are a few things I want to make clear here. Don't listen just everybody. Okay, don't go to YouTube and just listen every YouTuber, especially for the YouTubers who been hiding for the last 2 years and they're just popping up from nowhere and just pumping some tokens. Please be careful, okay? Please be careful, don't get wrecked. Always do your research, okay? Find some teams to do your research for you, okay? Go into if you can afford, just go into some paid groups, okay? They're doing so much information, they're sharing so much information there. One of them is Portfolio Masters, okay? Go and check them out. They give you so many low crypto market gems, okay? Next one, for yield farming, I love UIG group. I did so many videos and I love that group, okay? I'm a lot into yield farming. Why? Because I'm trying to make a cash flow. That's my goal here, okay? Cash flow from here, I'm going to compound and I'm going to invest into my bull portfolio. Bull portfolio here, cash flow here, making the money there and putting right here, okay? So you must have some kind of cash flow to make you more money, because how are you going to find money to invest more into crypto? Next one of my passive income is notes. I love notes, okay? Delicium, extremely successful notes, okay? Now the price went 300% up. I'm so happy I didn't sold my tokens for the last 3 months, you know? I'm just holding nice and slow and I'm going to start taking profits when the time comes. Also, different notes, galaxies, that's coming in the next 4 or 5 weeks. It's coming the token, so I'm still accumulating more and more tokens. Okay, so I want to make a point. You also need to have some strategy to take profits, okay? Don't wait for Bitcoin to hit 100K. What about if never hit 100K for the next 5 years, okay? Who is going to wait for the next bull market? So make sure you have some strategy and you take some profits. That's up to you. When you want to take profits, how much you're going to take profits, it's up to you. What I'm doing is, when I see the price of the token, it depends on the token what I have, you know. Some of them are blue chip, some of them are not blue chip, you know. Most of my portfolio are, let's say 50-60% are low market cap. Why? Because that's the most exposure what we have with for the bull market, because they can easily go 20, 30, 40, 50x. And again, I will mention again, Portfolio Masters. I'm using them to get these tools, okay? I'm using them as a tool to get low market gems, okay? Just recently, few of their tokens just did like couple of X for the last 10 days. It's crazy, it's crazy. Again, only risk capital. That's what I'm trying to put there, okay? Now, you must have some strategy to take your money out, okay? Don't wait for the top. Nobody can know when is the top, and also nobody know when is the bottom. Are we going to have some pullback? Yes, definitely we're going. That's normal. But according to me, I think Bitcoin going to hit, I don't know, 70, 80, up to 100K, and then we're going to have a big pullback. By then, probably going to go up and down, okay? I don't be surprised if we have some kind of red days. Red days, it's good. It's good to take some position out, okay? Make some strategy, okay? Have some kind of portfolio on the side, okay? For watching portfolio, okay? And then you DCA inside. That's what I'm doing. I have a couple of portfolios. One for taking profits when I buy and sell just to keep track. One my main portfolio and one for DCA, which means coins I'm watching and I want to add a little bit more. When I fill my bags, I'm happy bunny, I'm going to the next one. Also, join a lot of Telegram groups, Discord group. Please don't answer to any DMs, okay? There's so many scams, just be careful. There's so many good groups there where you can learn a lot of inside information. Go into pre-sales if you can, you know, if you can find, you know, like look what's happened with Lolana last week, which depends when you watch this video. Did 18x the first day. The token before that, TLLN, okay? How many X did? 110x. That's crazy. I made 4x, and people will say 4x? Wait, dude. On $100, $400 clear profit. Who give you? Okay, profit is profit. Yield farming again is one of the best passive income for me at the moment. I'm trying to build up that bag, as soon as I can. Why? Because that's going to bring me more cash flow every single day. I'm compounding, take little profits, put here. Compound, take little profits, put here. Compound, take some profits, get for home. All right, that's about it. I just want to mention that things. Please be careful who you listen again. Okay, stay safe there. It's crypto, it's extremely risky. Do your research. Again, love you all. Till the next one. Goodbye.